Class 5th Social Science Chapter 4 Weather and Climate Part 4. In this video, we will learn about sea breeze and land breeze. Sea breeze. During the day, the land gets heated faster than the water in the sea. Land has the property that it heats up very fast and also cools down very fast as compared to the sea water. So, the air in contact with the land also gets heated and rises up, creating a low pressure area over the land. So, when the land gets heated up during the day, the air in contact with the land also gets heated up, and as hot air moves upwards, so the air above the land also moves upwards, and a low pressure area is created above the land. The water of the sea is cooler compared to the land, so the air in contact with the water also becomes cooler and sinks down, creating a high pressure area over the sea. The sea water is cooler as compared to the land because it takes more time to cool down and more time to heat up. So, the air in contact with the sea also cools down and it comes downwards or spread over the sea. And high pressure area is created over the sea. As wind blows from high pressure area towards the low pressure area, wind always blows from high pressure area towards the low pressure area to balance the things. So, cold winds blow from above the sea towards the land and cools the temperature of the land. So, cool wind from above the sea blows towards the land and makes the land cool. This is called sea breeze. Now, let's learn about land breeze. During the night, the land cools down faster than the water in the sea. During the night, the land cools down because land heats up faster and also cools down faster as compared to the water. So, the air above the sea gets heated and rises up, creating a low pressure area over the sea. So, the air above the sea also gets heated up because the sea water is warm as compared to the land at night. So, and as a result, a low pressure area is created over the sea. The land is cooler compared to the water in the sea. So, the air in contact with the land also becomes cooler and sinks down, creating a high pressure area over the land. Now, the land is cooler as compared to the sea water. So, the air in contact with the land also cools down, and the cool air, as you know, it comes downwards, so it spreads over the land and creating a high pressure area over the land. So, cold winds blow from the land towards the sea and cools the temperature of the sea. It is called land breeze. So, the cool air from the land blows towards the sea and it makes the temperature of the sea water cooler. It is called land breeze.